Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to use Google Translate. If you type Translate into your Google browser, you will see the option to enter your text and translate it into your desired language. In the second box, select the language that you want. Enter the text that you want to translate. If you click on the speaker icon, you will have the option to hear how this word is pronounced.
Hello, how are you? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
You also have the option to use your microphone to translate your text by your voice. You can also reverse your translated text back into your mother tongue. You have the option to change numerous languages from one to the other. And to hear their pronunciation.
يا له من يوم جميل نواجهه.
The Google Translate feature is especially useful when you're on holiday or if you need to communicate in another language, as the app can be used on your phone and on the go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.